an hour ago, it was sunny. There was no clouds in the sky. I started to powder coat some stuff, which actually I just realized I put back over here. Yeah, like I said, started to powder coat. Come on, ISO, really? You can do me like that? Yeah, like I said, started to powder coat some stuff. Started to sandblast some stuff downstairs, and came back to there was actually snowflakes in the air. Really, I almost said Oregon. I don't live in Oregon anymore. It's almost been 6 years. Really, Washington. That's what I should have said. But, yeah, someone parked in my driveway, as usual, in front of my house. I don't understand people. One of those days, I guess. I don't know, but yeah. So like I said in the last video, this coming weekend, it's 5 days away, we got another truck show. Am I going to try and win trophies like last time? Yes. Am I going to? No. But we're going to go for most decorated. It's like a Christmas theme thing, blah, blah, blah. A couple little things I want to get done to the truck. One of them being, I wanted to clean it, and I wanted to do, I have a sponsor video I got to get done, but how are you going to wash this in the rain? I don't want to take it to a car wash or anything like that, because then the idea afterwards is to detail it and ceramic coat it, and it just, not having a good few days. Just getting over being sick, etc. So another random short, quick to the point today video. We're ruining this truck by cutting in the back half of it off. Or at least that's the title, because I'm going to clickbait it. In reality, we're just going to come over here into the rain, and I don't know if you guys are going to even be able to see these. Let's see. These guys right here? This giant, stupid... I don't even know what they were. I think... Oh yeah, they're old, the bump stops. I don't need them. And they're ugly. And kind of in the way of me cleaning up the whole back of the frame and repainting everything. So with it being dark, me being cold, because I forgot kerosene for the second day in a row, let's get under here and chop these out. First, what is that? I gotta get a flashlight, and then I gotta move this breather line. And then yeah, that guy, and that guy. Gotta go. Ow, bye-bye. Don't flick things in the cold air. Oh, today's gonna be fun.
Pro tip. Camera placement is key when you're going to be grinding a whole bunch of stuff. Probably think about where you're going to place the $600 camera before you start grinding. I don't know. Maybe you guys don't care. I do.
Chopping on stuff in a time lapse. Rerouted this. I need to throw a zip tie onto it so it kind of follows that flow. I want to redo all of the hard lines because that looks like shit. That looks like crap going that way. Yeah. I want to do a disc brake kit, but parking brake isn't really a thing with the disc brake kit, so we may end up just leaving the drums and redoing. Where's the stupid cut parking brake thing on this? I think it's on this side over here. But yeah, but the e-brake stuff's still there, so I could fix it. We could actually have a functioning parking brake. I don't know if you guys are all up to date on the whole Blandon parade situation, but in my mind, parking brakes help a lot. I know a lot of people don't think parking brakes should slow down a trailer, etc., etc. If your parking brake's adjusted right, it should hold the trailer, it should stop, it should help lots of things. But under here, there's so many things I always forget about. Like, look at my shock mounts. That's like the factory riveted thing. They pulled a rivet or two and replaced them with bolts. And then look, the stud must have broke, so they re-welded it. Oh, I keep running this microphone. I keep running this stupid microphone into everything. Next investment, wireless lapel mic for sure. Yeah, but I don't know what this thing up here was. It looks like it ran to that side too. So there was something that I'm assuming, I don't know what that was for. But yeah, we got those things out. Stupid old bumps. Why did I remove the bump stops, you're asking? Those are a foot above my rear diff. If my truck flexes up a foot, I don't have a foot there, and I have like a couple inches on that side. A foot, those would never touch. It would have just destroyed my truck long before that. And then with the whole plan of going up taller, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. I want to redo all these lines. I want to redo how my shocks are mounted. It's like I was saying, look at those. There's a crappy weld on the outside, crappy weld on the inside, and it's literally welded an inch. And they look like they're gonna tear off anytime. So yeah, I want to redo rear shock mounts. I want to powder coat my rear diff cover because I didn't powder coat when we installed that, and I just spray painted it and then threw some clear on it. To be honest, it looks like crap. Like I said, we got new springs. We'll have to reuse the hardware and the plates, but we have new springs. We have lift blocks.
Get everybody outflanked and then come right back with Kyle Eckel. Eckel has 9.
Yeah, there's so much thing. I don't want this exhaust anymore. I want to redo this for either a hood stack or a side pipe when we do the compounds and yada yada yada. At this point, I'm just rambling, so I'm gonna get all of this mess of stool that I made real quick. Just made a giant mess just to cut those two things out. Get back in the house, check some stuff out, and go from there. Alright, so like I said, we cut that stuff off. That's basically the video, but it wasn't at the same time. I need your guys' help. What do you want to see more, I don't know, more of, more importantly, next, etc. Obviously, we're lifting the truck. The truck needs to go just a little bit. A little bit. I feel like an idiot. Initially, I wanted another 10 inches taller. Am I gonna drive it like that? It's already really tall. I don't know what it is that I want this fender line here. I want to skate the 40s really bad. I know that's the new trend and a lot of people think it's stupid. I don't care. It's my truck. I'm building it the way I want to. I want it a little bit taller. Now, thinking about it, I don't need 10 inches. I don't want to look like every other truck where it looks like the body's just kind of like set on the suspension and wheels. I am, most definitely, that's 6 inches. It's not the end of the world to do that. I mean, 6 inches in the back, 6 inches in the front, see kind of where we land. I really want to do a cradle in the center, but I'm still not sure on a cradle in the center. I have all that stuff cut out downstairs, which we're on the way to, but I'm just knocking everything over today. But yeah, with that in mind, I also need to start working on the wife's Bag 64 more because this thing is done. I mean, it needs a transmission. It drives. This transmission is just garbage, so I want to get another one. It's no biggie there. Everything else is done. I mean, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, actually, it's going to start from sitting for so long, but let's see. I mean, well, I can tell it's low on fuel, but that easy. So yeah, I need to start doing something to all of the projects that we have. We have Bag 64, we got the 55, which I've been thinking all-wheel drive LS, I don't know. Lots of ideas, lots of plans. I'm gonna let this thing warm up for a few seconds because now that I've started it like an idiot, I don't want to just shut it off. and then we're gonna head downstairs and talk about a couple odds and ends. All right, like I said, we're down here. I'm just moving some stuff around because it's been my last, I don't know, few weeks redoing the upstairs, like I said, for the powder coating stuff. But then now the cross of that was I have all of this to redo. Like I was saying, I have the cradle cutouts and cardboard. We can make those out of steel, throw those on. I don't know if I want to jump into all that immediately. Would you rather see me play in the snow and the mud and stuff with the Duramax, or would you rather just see it immediately go up to height? Checking the weather, actually checking it now, I'm pretty sure in the next like day or two, I'm supposed to get a bunch of snow down here on the valley floor in Longview. Yes, tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, oh, and now it's Thursday and Friday. So the next like 4 days, I'm supposed to have some snow. Play in the snow with the Duramax, continue just powder coating stuff. I don't know about you guys. Like I was saying, we lift it, or I'm still just an idiot and I have everything to compound that truck sitting in boxes, just literally waiting. I got all the fittings, I got all the everything I could possibly think of. There's literally box, everything. Why don't, I don't know. Do we compound it? I don't know. There's just so much I want to do, and there's not enough light in the day. It's raining. I really need a shop. I need to be able to work in the dry and not in the rain and in the cold constantly. I know building the carport in the back was a great idea, and we're gonna hear the super loud truck again, but I can't fit the big truck under there. Even on small wheels, it doesn't fit under there. I don't know what to do in that situation, but sounds like my fan's on. No, that's not the fan. That's how loud the fuel pump is right now. I think she's almost out of gas. But with that, I'm gonna leave you guys here. I got a bunch of random stuff to take care of for the next video that we're gonna be posting. But yeah, like I said, short, sweet, to the point stuff. I'm gonna start going through and cleaning up the back of the frame. Hopefully figure out a way to just tarp the back off or something and paint it all, clean it up. I wanna go to the show looking a little better than I did, but hopefully we can get a few trophies, try and Christmas that thing up a little bit. But with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Enjoy your week, have some fun for me if you're dry somewhere, and if you're getting rained on like I am, I'm sorry. Cry with me. Average Joe Builds, I'm out of here.